Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So these are from Lily, the shop. The brand is Lily. Let's take a look. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Gosh, today is so hot. California is so hot. Oh, this is double layer. Anyway, this is long sleeve. Maybe I can try it now. And very soft. And this one goes well with these. Oh, zip bag. And a huge zip bag. I love it. So this one is a skirt. Oh. Let's try this one. The blue color kind of work together, right? It's cotton or polyester. Maybe cotton and polyester. Ocean blue. Didn't write. Let me try. And this one is Lily. This one is a small jacket. So I will try it on. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is the top. It matches with my little purse. I haven't ironed it. Maybe I should iron it a little bit. And it's a little bit, the size is kind of a tight size. And when I wear it a little bit, it will loosen up a little bit. So comfortable. And I put it in, and it's perfect size, this skirt. See? This way a little bit. Now I will put on the top, see how it goes. Two buttons here. Oh, it's very light. I like it because there's no hoodie, no hat. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh my, I love it. Oh, this is so comfortable. So comfortable. So very comfortable. Oh, I love it. Yeah, very easy move. Pretty cool, I think. That's it. Okay. Okay, I put it up a little bit this way. Okay. That is it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Goo, goo, bye, bye. Bye bye.